The much-discussed Bhubaneswar Metro Rail project has not been scrapped, but has instead been temporarily put on hold. The clarification came from Housing and Urban Development Minister Krishna Chandra Mahapatra on Friday, amid growing political debate over the project's status. The issue gained attention after Bhubaneswar MP Aparajita Sarangi's letter reignited discussions around the Metro Rail plan. Responding to the concerns, the minister explained that the project remains under consideration of Chief Minister Mohan Maji and that no final decision has been taken yet. Mahapatra further pointed out that the Bhubaneswar Metro Corporation office continues to function, which clearly indicates that the project has not been shelved. He also criticized the previous BJD government, alleging that the metro project was announced without properly assessing ground realities and without seeking assistance from the central government. The minister emphasized that any future development of the metro rail will be undertaken with the support and cooperation of the centre. However, he did not provide a timeline or confirm whether the project will eventually move forward. This lack of clarity has left uncertainty hanging over the future of the Bhubaneswar Metro Rail project, keeping the debate alive in Odisha's political circles.
आपण माने भलो कि जानिछंती आम सरकार मोहन माजी को सरकार लोकंक हित पई जहा दरकार से करूचंती करिवे मध्ये किंतु मेट्रो प्रकल्प नै कि जो कथा उठिछि मेट्रो प्रकल्प जो टाइप रो थिला सेटा वायबल हो नथिला एवं आपण माने मध्ये निजे न्यूज रे प्रकाश करिसंती जेतेबेले गुटे टेस्ट हैला केते प्रॉब्लम तयारी हे गला लोक यातायात पई प्रॉब्लम तयारी हैला आ जाई एस पाले ना यदि दीर्घ दिन धरी सेठी काम होई थांता से परिस्थिति कोन होई थांता तेणु एटा बाईपास रो रास्ता रो मध्ये व्यवस्था करा होची सब कला परे एटा गुटे कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव मोबिलिटी प्लान तयारी हो एवं तापरे तार निर्णय निया जिवो कारण मेट्रो आज नहले काली आवश्यकता अछि तेणु माननीय मुख्यमंत्री याको विचाराधीन रखिसंती।